Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a haul. I haven't filmed a clothing haul, makeup haul in such a long time. I went to San Diego beginning of August and all my clothes has been sitting in here since then. All my clothes, all my makeup. So I went to Ulta, Ross, TJ Maxx, tons of stuff, and then I'm also going to be including my VIB Rouge Sephora haul. Picked up quite a bit of stuff and I picked up some things for my friends, so that's why it's in a big honking box. I didn't get that much. I went to Trader Joe's. I picked up two things of the Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. This is so hyped here on YouTube, so I had to get it. So I picked up two. Then I also picked up the Trader Joe's Chili Lime Seasoning Blend. And their seasonings are dirt cheap. These were like less than $2 each. And seasoning here goes for like $8 a thing of that size. It's ridiculous. I also got the lemon pepper seasoning blend and some Romano Caesar dressing. I also picked up this Starbucks tumbler. Connor actually got it for me because one of my tumblers that I had at home, he accidentally wrecked, so he owed me a new one. So when I saw that one, he was just like, I'll get it for you. I recently just went to Winners and I saw these two things. This is the Too Faced Sweetie Pie Radiant Matte Bronzer, and I got the Born This Way Radiant Concealer. This one was $12.99 and this was $14.99. It's a good concealer, but like didn't blow me away really. And then I love this. I would 10 out of 10 recommend this one. If you're quite fair, it could probably act as a bronzer, but it's more so like a cheek topper. It's very light and you can definitely build it up. And then I picked up this romper. I honestly didn't need a romper, but this was $11 and it is so cute. It's like a square neckline and then it has like a little belt. It's like a capri romper, and I thought this would be so cute for like going out. Sounds so stupid to say this, but you know when you go for a stagette or a bachelorette and all the girls are wearing black and then the bride wears white, I feel like that would be a perfect outfit for a stagette. I mean, that's really thinking far ahead, but meh. Once again, probably items that a very small percentage of people will care about. I went to this uniform outlet place in the States and their scrubs weren't too far off of what they are in Canada, but these scrub pants were super cute and they're just like a navy blue and they were $19.99, which scrub pants like brand new can go for like $45 to $50 a pant. Same with scrub jackets. These ones I got for $22.99 and these easily go for like $45, $50. So I got a gray and a teal blue, and I also got a pair of like foam clogs, but they're at the hospital right now. But I got little name tags, and I got one. It's my name tag right now. It's white with a little pink uterus with a little smiley face on it, and it's so cute. And then this one says OB nurse at your cervix at Ross. I got a pair of Calvin Klein underwear. I really love the Calvin Klein underwear and I always get it when I go to the States because it's like dirt cheap. $9.99 for two pairs. I got a pair of like jogger sweatpants. They kind of look like Adidas, but they're super comfy and I think these were $4.99. I got this little cami. Definitely different for me. I used to wear this type of shit like way back in high school. I don't know, I just wear very casual stuff at home. If I'm not in scrubs, I'm in clothes like this. So I was like, I need more clothes that's nicer or fancier. And I got this for $10.99. Just a little cami, and the material is kind of like a tulle sheath top. This is the type of clothes I love wearing every day. So this is just a light t-shirt, but it has a knot at the bottom, so it adds a little pizzazz to it. These Calvin Klein sleep shorts, they're super cute and they just say Calvin Klein on the band. And I got these for $9.99. I got this long sleeve beach top. It's white with a very light floral design, but it has a very faint bell sleeve and it ties at the bottom. Next, I got just a plain peach t-shirt and I got this for $3. So I couldn't say no. It's a t-shirt. So this is an American Eagle t-shirt. I have this in white and I think I have it in a couple colors, but I love it. It was on sale for $5. So, and they're originally like 20 bucks. Okay, next I got these Under Armour sweatpant joggers. So they're an army green, kind of like an olive green, and they just say Under Armour on the band. They have like some pretty cool pockets on the side, but then they just taper off at the edge of the leg. And I got these on sale for 16 bucks. So can't wait to wear those. This I got on sale for 10 bucks. And it is just this blue and white shirt. I thought this would be really cute with a pair of like high-waisted jeans. Very springy, which sucks because we're going into fall time now. But I got this, yeah, on sale for 10 bucks. And I wasn't too sure how I felt about this. If this was like cute chic on the edge of 50-year-old man ready to go on a cruise ship or something. But I felt that I can somehow spruce this up and make it pretty trendy. I don't have a pair of black jeans, so I picked up a pair of high-waisted black jeans at Ross. I got these for $11.99, which is pretty wicked for just pants in general, and they're nice and long. But I only got one pair of shoes other than minus my clogs, and I got these Steve Madden platform sandals at Ross, and I got them for $29.99. And they're just this blush pink, and as soon as I tried them on, I felt like a little Spice Girl. I had to put them in my cart, and they're just so cute. Okay, so these are the American Eagle Next Level Stretch, and these are uber high-waisted, and they're a nice like medium wash, and I got them in the long length, and they are so comfortable. And if you guys are in the search for a high-waisted pant, definitely go to American Eagle, spend the money. I literally wear these and lounge around the house in them. Who am I? Lounging in jeans? Said no one ever. So I love them so much, I had to get them in another pair. And American Eagle always does like a buy one get one 50% off type of deal. So I got them in a light wash, and I think I like these ones honestly better than the blue ones. But those are the back, there's the front, and they're super high-waisted, and they actually go up to my belly button. So I also got those in the extra long length and next level stretch. So super comfortable. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I just am so excited about this. Speed round. Sorry, I just burped. Another Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. Best cleaner ever. If you're looking for a brush cleaner, get it. Okay, I had to try this. This is the Briogeo. Oh my god, if I just keep on repeating it, it's just gonna get worse and worse. It's like a train wreck. This is the Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Shampoo. I don't know why I said that with such a lisp. I saw a couple of YouTubers talk about this, and they said it smelled like bananas, and if I don't know what it is, I love the smell of artificial bananas. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it smells like baby penicillin. You know, the banana scented medicine. Honestly, it just smells like the banana marshmallows, like just banana candy. That's what it smells like. So that was the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. These are expensive shampoos. My god, I think this duo costs like 50 some bucks, and I never spend money on my hair other than like actually physically getting it done. Next, I got the Jeffree Star and Morphe Continuous Setting Mist collab. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I shouldn't have sprayed it all over my glasses. Okay. Okay, it's light and faint. I was hoping for that to smell better than it does. I watched his video, and Jeffree said that this one is different from the other one. There's a couple added ingredients that's more better for like skincare and like long lasting, I guess. So I'm excited to try out that. It's one of my favorite mists anyways, just because of the spray is perfect. Okay, honestly, my favorite YouTubers is Jackie Aina, and she did a collab with Anastasia, and she did a palette, and I love Anastasia's eyeshadows. So I had to try her new palette. That is beautiful. I am dying over these three colors and this brown one. Like, this combo is gonna be beautiful. You have some pinks, but like I love that there's like neutrals within it. I'm so excited because I honestly thought that her palette was gonna be so good because I trust her judgment so well. She is such a straight shooter and she tells it the way it is, and I feel like she would create the perfect palette because she doesn't take bullshit from nobody. Next, I picked up the ABH Dip Brow Gel. I needed a new brow gel and I wanted to try this one. The reviews were hit and miss, but I feel like it would be pretty decent. So I decided to get the smaller baby size and not get the full size just in case I didn't like it. And I got this in dark brown, and this is the wand. So honestly, that's a pretty decent wand. I do like that shape. When people ask me about getting brushes, I give them all the same answer, and I always say like, I would never fucking spend $40 to $50 on a brush. But I did. I was recently with my friend and she was asking me about makeup tips, and so I was like, hey, just bring your makeup and I'll do like a little one-on-one session with you. So she brought over her stuff and she had the Fenty Beauty brushes, and I touched them. Girl, I was shook. They were so soft and like the shapes were so unique. So with this sale and the 20% off, I had to. I was just like, this is a treat yourself moment. Oh. So I got the Face Kabuki, and honestly, Fenty Beauty stuff, girl, it's pricey, but it's so aesthetically pleasing and I die over every product. Oh, look at how cute that is. Oh my God, how gorgeous is that brush? The packaging is beautiful. Ooh, that's gonna be so nice for doing foundation. Next, I got the powder brush. So I thought this would be a good universal one because I can use it for bronzer, blush, powder, honestly like anything. It's fluffy, but it's tapered, so it means it goes up to a point, which means it's gonna be bomb for bronzing. But because it's so loose, it's good for blush because you don't want to use too dense of brushes for blush. This is gonna be perfect. And then this was what I was most excited for. I got the Cheek Hugging Bronzer Blush, and I like these brush protectors. Like, I think I would probably travel with these. This is probably by far the most unique brush that I own. So I'm kind of excited to see how this works because it has such a sharp edge that I feel like you can get a nice contour bronze with that. Once again, not too dense that you would be able to get a really nice blend with. I am 10 out of 10 impressed. This is gonna be a 30-minute haul. Okay, speed round. Excedrin. Not makeup, but yeah. Another Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This was a purchase like 3 weeks after. Another L'Oreal Infallible. This is in 101. This is probably the foundation I use the most in my kit because everybody is so fair. So I restocked that. Restocked another Tarte Shape Tape. I got another Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. Some reason I never see like 05. I have 10, 15, and 20 in my kit, and so I got 5, which is the lightest out of the Fit Me powders. And the Fit Me powders, so good. So finely milled. It has pigment, so it adds coverage, and it makes your face look so porcelain and airbrushed. Get it. And it's drugstore, so it's very, very cheap. Next, I picked this up. So I saw the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Foundation. I already tried this one and it is hella orange, so I think I'm gonna have to mix something with this to make it more my color. And then I picked up the Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. It is a pure white pigment, so this is gonna be perfect for adding to foundations to lighten them up, obviously. Next, I picked up the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray, and it's dewy and my skin is naturally dewy, aka oily. If I don't like this, then I'll just gift it to someone with dry skin. Ooh, that's a really nice spray. I like that. Next, I picked up 2 concealers. I wanted to try the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. This is also a super hyped concealer on YouTube, so I really wanted to try this, so I got it in the shades C10 and C10.5. This is the Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flower powder, and it comes in a cute little bag like you're buying a little dessert or something. Oh, so cute. It's such a cute packaging. The powder is beautiful. I got it in the shade Banana. The only reason I got it here or there was because then I wouldn't have to spend money on shipping, which is, I've looked into this brand before and I just didn't want to spend shipping on and customs already on expensive products. So next I got the Flower Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. Since it was in packaging, I couldn't swatch it. Oh yeah, that'll be a perfect shade for me right now. This is like a nice highlighting shade. And then last but not least, I got this sponge. I think it was only like a couple bucks, so that's why I bought it. Sonia Kashuk Makeup Blender Sponge. I always love trying different sponges because sponges just get so grimy and gross. Oh, so that's pretty dense, but I wonder what that's gonna feel like once I dampen it, add water to it. It's a nice chunky sponge, pretty beefy. It has a nice point, but it's also very flat. I think that will be really nice bouncing out foundation. So happy that I finally filmed this haul. It's been a long thing coming, but I had clothes, I had makeup, Ulta haul, Sephora haul, Trader Joe's haul. Like, I am so happy with everything that I got. I got wicked deals down in the States. I got to get so much makeup that I would never have gotten here in Canada. I'm happy with all the sales and the deals that I got through the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. But if you guys enjoyed this haul and bringing back OG hauls to this channel, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. The big red button is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.